man. You can do that.
Come on, baby. How long you been with me? Do that to me. Look at this guy. Didn't I tell you guys? My business partner, Brian, / cameraman. I'm cameraman now because now he's a mechanic or something. Our oldest baby just died on us. So he's bringing it back to life.
Amen.
All right. So what can you tell me, son? Nice. Good job. All right, guys. Now here we go for the next step. We already sanded it with 60 and then 150 and then 220, as we showed you how to do it before. Now we're gonna stain it. We're using the gel stains. Once again, I love the gel stains. The Old Masters gel stains. We're using dark walnut. I diluted it with paint thinner, 50-50, because it's very thick. It's very, very simple. Cut it in where you can't reach. Just put that there. We got the ground pretty covered. And then just apply with a rag or a sponge, however you like it. Kind of work yourself in, work it into the grooves, work it into the grains. Very, very simple, guys. Look at that. See? Kind of work it in. Very, very simple. And then tomorrow we'll show you how to seal it. We got it prepped out to spray. We'll show you the process tomorrow. Alright guys, second step of the sealer. And you don't have to be so stingy, you don't have to go so fast anymore. You can put a little more on, have it you know, a little more uniform so it can cover a little more. First step is just so you can have one coat in, and the second step adheres to the first one. Alright, check it out. Let me put this on. I got my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle mask on. Now I can go faster.